Hello everyone, welcome to CAI Academy. This is the first episode of our training series on CAI printing machine. Throughout this course, I will walk you through every key aspect of the machine, giving you a complete understanding of its structure, functions, and operation. Our cup printing machine consists of stack feeder, screw feeder, manual and index unit, pre-treatment unit, printing unit, color head units, drying units, blow-off unit, take-off unit, restacker. Now let's take a look at the machine control areas. Main touchscreen control panel, handheld jaw control pendant, front door remote control panel, remote control panel on the restacker, remote control panel on the stack feeder, rear door control panel. As you can see, every operating area is equipped with stop and emergency stop buttons. Operators can respond quickly and safely to any unexpected situation. In the next lessons, we'll explore each system in detail and show you how to operate the machine.